So this happened at night. It was about 8:30, and I got a call from one of our tenants, pretty frantically, screaming that there's a fire. I was expecting just something, simple. Fire department came, they're going to put it out. And when I showed up, there was 6 fire departments.
We know at least one person has been taken to the hospital with non-life-threatening injuries after a fire at a multifamily home in Bourne.
They cut open the roof. You see flames coming out of the building for hours, pouring water into the building. And just watching everybody just kind of not know what to do. It was kind of surreal. The fire chief stayed overnight. I came back early in the morning, and that's the first time I'd been able to walk through the building. So that's when you kind of saw the damage. And that's when it's like, okay, now what do we do? Building this size, a lot of this size, definitely recommended RebuildEx. This is what they do. They were great. They got on site. They got us a scan of the building. We were able to meet within that first week. And that really helped us kind of get a gauge on timing. What the involvement was. There was a lot of underlying, things that we had to get taken care of that we had never done before. And these guys, we knew that they had done it before. So very, that made us feel very comfortable. At any point in time, I didn't feel like we were being bamboozled. Like they were upfront. So that's exactly what's going to happen. And that's exactly what did happen. Having somebody oversee the project, make sure that everyone's doing their job, and also who's on site and what's coming next, that was a big help. Everyone was in sync. Any issues that came up, they got taken care of right away, clearly communicated, and all expectations. To do it yourself it's a full-time job. I already have a job. And so there was no way that I could have done it on my own. I was able to get all of the apartments filled, very quickly and right on schedule. And that's huge. And I was very impressed. Everything was clean. All the materials used were quality. All the feedback I've got from all the tenants, how great everything is, how nice it is, how well designed it was, everything. Honestly, when you walk in there, you feel like they're condos. I would recommend RebuildEx. If anybody was in my shoes, I would definitely get somebody like RebuildEx to do this job, because there's a big shoes to fill, and you can't do it by yourself. We wouldn't have the building we have today if we didn't do that.